Kung may 20,000 ka ngayon, may chance ka na magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Hindi ito joke, this is a bank foreclosed property sa General Trias, Cavite. At take note, end lot, mas valuable plus mas may space. Bidding process, 20,000 reservation lang para makasali. As is where is. Ibig sabihin, kung marunong ka dumiskarte sa bidding, pwede mo pa makuha below market value. Check mo to. Lot area, 54 square meter. Floor area, 41 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Perfect for starting family, rental, or investment. Starting bidding price, 1,402,200. Sa panahon ngayon, sobrang bihira na ng ganitong presyo, lalo na end lot pa. Paunahan sa bidding, hindi ito reserved hanggang walang nananalo. Ito, sample computation natin. 20% down payment, 280,440. 80% balance, 1,121,760. In-house financing. Estimated terms, 15 years to pay, monthly around 13,000 to 15,000 per month. Para ma-approve, dapat ang income mo is around 35,000 to 45,000 per month household income. Pwede combined income, mas mataas chance ma-approve. Transfer of title is not included. As is where is, kailangan actual viewing. Bidding, hindi guaranteed, kailangan tamang offer. Pero don't worry, tutulungan namin kayo from viewing hanggang submission. Kung gusto mo magkabahay sa presyong abot kaya, act fast. 20,000 lang para mas kasali sa bidding, baka maunahan ka. Free house tour assistance available. Messages now for inquiries. This is Jin Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!